Hi, I'm Maria Espelita, single with two kids. I have been working as a domestic helper here in Hong Kong for almost 10 years in one employer. I am dedicated and hardworking helper with extensive experience in household chores, cooking, cleaning, laundry, and for caring children and pets. I am organized and reliable and committed to maintaining a clean and safe home, while always striving to improve my skills at this time. I prefer a role on working with adults in managing household chores. Thank you, and please feel free to contact me on Helper Library.